So if you are the type of the person who always think of what others think because you think they are the main character in your life instead of you thinking you are the main character in your life, because you always think what people are thinking, what people judge me if I do this, what if people laugh at me if I do that. Do you think the people care about you thinking of the center of their lives? You forgot your own life and thinking they are your life because you are thinking that much about them instead of your own life and complicating things and overthinking because they think what they others think instead of what you think about yourself. Hello guys, I am Priyanka. If you are new here, please subscribe to channel and like to my video and watch till the end. So if you are the type of the person who thinks about what others think instead of thinking about your own life, you walk into a room and suddenly feel like everyone is looking at you. What if someone judges you by your looks? But here's the truth, if you don't realize it, people are not thinking about you that much because they have their own difficulties in their life, own problems in their life, because they are too busy thinking about themselves. And so you post your story and watching repeatedly because what people are thinking about your post, what if the people are liking it not, how many likes you get, if you get any comments, you are searching, but you are putting so much into effort or energy into it, but it always a waste because what you think about yourself is the main thing here. You have to realize that you are not the center of their world. You are barely a side character in most people's life because you are not the main character in their life, because they are the main character in their own life and you are the main character in your own life. Yeah, it sounds common, but it's a truth. Think about it. Do you remember every embarrassing thing someone else did? No, right? You might laugh for a moment, you might talk about it, you might think about it a few minutes and say to other people, then you move on. You don't hold that and still remember for the life, for the years that are coming. No, right? You just barely remember it for an hour, but don't remember it for a long time. Same for you, it's same applicable for you. If you do anything that feels embarrassing to you, that is not be remembered by everyone for the years. Just they just think about it, they just laugh about it for a moment, they just say to other people, but for how many hours, for how many days? If they put that much effort into your life, they something meant big. Maybe you are the main character to their life because they are thinking about yourself than their life. They are putting so much into your life, your things, then keeping so much into effort, so much effort into their life. Think about it. How to explore yourself, not by keeping yourself in a cage by thinking what others gonna think, because you hold the things into like it defines you. Yourself convincing people that that thing is not like this, I meant this. You don't have to prove it to themselves because you know what you did, you know what the reason behind it, you know what you feel. The others don't. You don't have to worry about what others think because you know what you are, you know how you feel, because you have to care about yourself rather than caring about others what thinking about you. If you want to do something by getting up from your chair, you have to do some task in front of others. If you wanted to just go and do, because people just are worse than you, because you are just want to stand up and talk or want to perform. They are not even doing that thing, just sitting there and judging you. Do you think that people can grow better than you? No. Do what you want to do, because one day you will look back and realize you missed opportunities, you missed chances and many experiences that you gonna do, but you had missed all the things because you feel what other people think. So now you are missed all those. Do you think they are coming and save you? Do you think they give you opportunities? Do you think they gonna experience and give it to you? No, you have to experience. You have to embrace your life. You have to leave it for the fullest. And the whole thing was stopped you was the worst part, because not because you couldn't do that, but you are scared of being judged, you are scared of being seen, you are scared of what others people think. What if they laugh at you? What if they feel cringe by looking at you? Do you think they care about you that much? No, they just want to bring you down. They just want to hold on you. But you have to know that you are something. You want to fly high until they couldn't reach you, because you are the main character. You are the goddess. So guys, I want to share a story how I thought before and now. Maybe that can be help for you, or realize how every stage of classes that are passing, there were some kind of girls who were just fearless and speak whenever they want to speak. They just kept put themselves out there. They were so fearless. But as a kid, I thought that they were just showing off. They were just seeking attention from the others. They just, when I see those girls now in the university or anything, anywhere, I just feel like they were so fearless. They put themselves. They don't think about anyone. They just put themselves out there. They just spoke what they want to do. They just perform what they want to do. They just do it anyway. They don't think that much. They just put themselves into their situation. I think that, oh my god, that's a baddie, because she doesn't think about anything. She put herself into there. So inspired by seeing them, because they were so fearless, and I feel like I just want to like be them. I push myself daily. I just push myself to not think about others, and not feel like someone is judging me, not feel like I am in embarrassing situations. I not feel like I am cringe. I just put myself into there, because what gonna people think? Let them think. Who cares, right? So for the YouTube channel, this I was started. It makes so much time to start, because I was thinking instead of doing, because I always thinking that what if the parents don't approve this, what are others gonna think, what others gonna judge me, what others just ask about me, what you are doing girl, what all this, she looks so cringe, what she is talking, she can't even put her thoughts into there, she can't speak properly. But who cares, right? This is my life. I can do whatever I want. I will speak whatever I want to speak. If you want to watch, you can watch. If you don't want to, you don't want to. I am not forcing anyone to watch this. I am not pushing anyone to watch my videos, to subscribe to my channel. I just don't. So if you came this far to my channel, then you are the type of the person. I know you are little overthinker, but please stop it. Maybe this video is your sign to stop overthinking. Even every little thing you had in your brain, you have to stop. Say what you feel, whatever you want to feel. If you want to share any of your feelings, then please comment what you are thinking. I will respond. But you have to know that try without wanting to be perfect. Try how you feel. Try whatever you want to do, but not let anyone stop you, not even you stop yourself from what you want to do. This video is a sign to stop thinking and stop doing whatever you want to do, because people always judge you no matter what, how perfect you are. And the celebrities, they are always gonna judge, because people always love to judge, because they never gonna them. They want to put you down, and you have to know that you are goddess. Bye guys, take care of yourself.